Hi, this is part 19 of Auth0 tutorial. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to call external API in a rule. Now let's go to Auth0 dashboard. I've already created a rule to call external API, which is send email after login. This rule is already written. This rule is using request module to send HTTP requests. Before we need to send a request, we need to find out which endpoint we want to send to. I choose the change password endpoint in Auth0. You can find it through go to Google, search for Auth0 API, and find Authentication API Explorer. Open it and search for password. If you click change password in the tab, you will find out the information for the endpoint. Basically, it only needs a client ID and the secret and the connection needed. Back to the rules. You can see I already use parameters to store those information and write those information in the request body. And set up the request options. The method is post with the URL, headers, and body. And then send the request. If there's any error, we console the log only. If it succeeds, we also console the log. Let's have a try. We run our application again. Let's try to log in. And see, we just received the response saying, we just send you an email to reset your password. Remember, all the rules will run after signing, and that is what we expected. Let's check in our email. And you can see I received my email saying reset my password. That's the tutorial for calling external APIs in a rule. In the next video, we are going to talk about add metadata in a rule. Thank you for watching.